We are going to look at letter cursive V. Here's a printed V, and it's pretty easy to see how you would get a cursive V from a printed V, how they're similar, how they're different. So starting at the green dot, we swoop up from the baseline all the way to the dotted midline and down again to the baseline. You can see I switched my color to purple. I'm coming up with a slight angle to the midline, and then with the yellow you can see I drop down a bit and swoop out. And now we're going to practice a few. You can also do a few. You should probably aim to do at least 5 in a sitting of each line, so you're ending up with 15. I want to note that sometimes the letter V looks a little bit like a U, especially older writings with this letter. I particularly like it to have a sharper turn, but a U-ish shape is quicker. And you can write the word violet. All right, very similar to the experience of writing a cursive V is the experience of writing a cursive W. And you can see how that is similar to a printed version. We're going to start with the green line, and we're going to swoop up, touch the dotted line. You can see my purple goes down to the baseline and up again in a U shape to the dotted. I switch to yellow to show you it's a new stroke, sometimes overlapping the first stroke. And then I switch to orange, drop down a little bit and swoop away, just like the experience of writing a cursive V. Now these have a softer shape, a softer bowl shape at the bottom. And I'd like you to try with each size. I also want you to notice that sometimes a W is a letter that comes in from about the midline, the dotted line, and sometimes, depending on what letter comes before it, it comes from the baseline, the red line. And you can practice writing the word growl, G-R-O-W-L.